On-screen text, how to delete a story on Snapchat in 60 seconds. Narrator, here's the fastest way to delete a story on Snapchat, step by step. On-screen caption, Step 1, open Snapchat. Narrator, Step 1, open the Snapchat app on your phone. On-screen caption, Step 2, go to your profile. Narrator, from the camera screen, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left. On-screen caption, Step 3, find my story. Narrator, on your profile page, look for the section labeled My Stories. On-screen caption, tap your story. Narrator, tap the story you want to delete to open it. Click on-screen text, Story Open. Narrator, your story will open full screen, just like when someone views it. On-screen caption, Step 4, open story options. Narrator, now, tap the 3 dots or options icon in the top right corner. On-screen caption, Step 5, choose Delete. Narrator, from the menu that appears, tap Delete Story or Delete Snapdot. On-screen caption, confirm delete. Narrator, Snapchat will ask you to confirm. Tap Delete again to remove it. On-screen text, story deleted. Narrator, once it's gone, your story disappears from Snapchat for everyone. On-screen caption, pro tip. Narrator, pro tip, repeat these steps for any other story snaps you want to remove. On-screen text, done heavy checkmark, more quick guides. Narrator, and that's it. Your story is deleted. Follow for more quick Snapchat guides.